This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. So first off, I want to say Merry Christmas Eve. I hope you are having the best day in your PJs with some hot cocoa and with loved ones, just having the best time possible. So y'all, this is kind of making me sad. We only have 2 more days of unboxings. I'm trying not to sound somber, but I've been having so much fun, and the fun ain't gonna stop. Now we're just gonna have videos using all of the goodies, and also we have a new year of new possibilities. So trying to look to all of the beautifulness, but I am kind of sad that this is ending. This was so much fun. So, oh my goodness. Okay, I was not expecting this for Christmas Eve at all. This is like a pink holographic foil. I am pausing y'all because, so throughout this entire calendar, I have been madly in love, but the one thing I felt that was missing was something holographic. Well, Madam Glam, you have answered my prayers. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking gorgeous. I can't. This is absolutely beautiful. Like, I can guarantee you what you're seeing on the screen is not even like 10% of how beautiful this is. This is one of the most beautiful foils I have ever seen. They truly spoiled us for Christmas Eve. And now you're making me really excited to find out what is for day 25 for Christmas Eve. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we are going to cut a piece of this, and as you see, they give you a healthy amount. And though I have like hoarded my foils from the last 2 years, this being the 3rd year, yeah, this one I can't hoard. Oh my goodness. I am definitely going to be, I have to do a set of my own phalanges, but oh my gosh, I had to like take a big gulp there. I can't get over how beautiful this is. So we had to go back to day 9 for the pink star. I was so excited. I was like, I wanted to have this as the base and then use the foil gel glue from day 5. And truly, like, I wanted that perfect base for this stunning foil. What I was getting at was this is truly so beautiful. I even had to move it around. So what's very interesting about this specific foil, I've tried other holographic foils before, and they're generally like under a silver base. This was a pink base, but the pink was like the absolute perfect base for this holo, because I don't think I've ever seen a holographic foil this beautiful. Like, this is insane. So we had to break out the silicone tool from the calendar as well. And I just can't, like, my mind, I'm blown, like, I'm blown. See? Now words aren't even making sense. My mind is blown. Like, this is so gorgeous. And honestly, this is like rainbow in a bottle. This is definitely giving all of the crystal prism vibes. Oh my gosh. And on a stiletto, ooh, with that light hitting, oh my goodness, this is all of the rainbow heaven. I have always said I am a rainbow child, and this foil, I'm gonna have to take a big gulp again. Ooh, I need agua. Oh my gosh, this has stolen my heart. This is so beautiful. We are definitely gonna have to do some fun nail dits where we matte it, see what it looks like matte. I mean, is that a sin to matte this? But glossy, like, I cannot get over the way the light refracts off of this. Like, it is out of control. This is like a disco in a little bottle. Like, whoo, ho, ho, hollow. Madam Glam brought this. Ooh, you did it. Ooh. I'm sorry, I'm losing it now, y'all. This is way too beautiful. So we got another goodie out of the calendar. We got day 2, the no wipe top coat, which is by far my favorite top coat besides the special effect top coats that Madam Glam has. I truly, I love this so much. It's like very scratch resistant. It has this like uber shine, almost looks like glass. Like, oh, the thickness is perfect without being like overly thick, if that makes sense. Like, it's just, the formula is absolutely perfect. It is like, again, it's my favorite top coat. I can say that hands on the Bible. Like, this is the business. And look at that. Oh my gosh, that holographic magic right there. That is out of control. Like, this is the kind of foil that like you could just foil your nails and that's all you need. Like, this is so beautiful, but also can make the perfect background. Madam Glam, you spoiled us for Christmas Eve. I know I started this a little somber, but this is what I'm talking about. Madam Glam therapy is real. You can be a little down in the dumps. You open up a bottle of sunshine, Madam Glam has you covered. Oh my gosh. Out of all of the foils throughout the past 3 years, I gotta say, this foil, whew, it blows the competition out of the water. Like, I don't know if I've seen a foil that has made me feel this way. Like, I was literally staring at it and I'm like, I need to do a full set. I need to see this on all the phalanges and the sun glinting on them. Like, this is some hot girl winter, hot girl summer. Like, you can use it for any period of time. It is just everything. Thank you so very much for coming into today's video. Merry Christmas Eve, and I can't wait to see you for tomorrow to see what Santa has left under the tree. I love you guys oh so much, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Mwah. Thank you for watching.